Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now this video is one that I have been wanting to do for a little bit, and you guys have asked for this video. By the title you can already tell what this video is about. So this video basically is just going to be how much YouTube paid me for my videos. In this case now videos, about 2 weeks ago it was just literally one video of mine that had gotten to 100k views and surpassed 100k views, but right now I have not one, not two, but 3 videos that have actually surpassed the 100k view mark. That's amazing, guys. That's ridiculous. Now obviously these 3 videos all relate to my brother's wedding period and all that happened like during that period. I have you guys to thank for, you know, watching my videos to the point that they are getting this number of views. It's amazing. So let's not waste time, okay? Let's just get right into this video. You want to hear all the juiciness, how much I made from each of these videos, rather how much I have made so far from each of these videos, then please keep on watching. Alright, so very quickly, the very first video that I will be analyzing for you guys today obviously is my brother's wedding video. That video did so well. As you can see, this video has gotten about 178,683 views since it was published. Okay, that is super amazing. This video got 135,000 more views than normal, all right, than usual, which again is super duper amazing. The watch time hours is 27.9, which is 27,900 hours. Okay, and from this video alone you can see right here that I gained about 1,400 subscribers alone from this video, which to be honest I feel like it would have been nice to get more, but I'm not even complaining. Like, that is just, that's fine. And this video, guys, this is the figure that we're going to be looking at today. This video has made me $1,921. $1,921.11 from one video, and I'm going to explain why this video made me this much money, because to be quite frank, I have one video that has literally almost the same number of views as this video, and I have one other video that is literally just like about 100,000 views, but those videos have not made anything close to this figure, and I'm going to show you guys why this video made me this much. All right, let's just scroll down and just check out a few analytics over here. Going to my reach, you can see that my impressions for this video is 3.2 million, which means that this video thumbnail was shown 3.2 million times on YouTube, and obviously out of that 3.2 million, 178,700 people actually watched this video. Okay, let's scroll down here and see under traffic source types. You can see that this video was mainly suggested by YouTube themselves, so a whopping 54% of the traffic of this video came from suggested videos, followed by browse features and other YouTube features and other stuff. But this 54% came from YouTube suggesting my video, so people here on YouTube. Okay, scrolling down further, we can see that in terms of external traffic, most of the people that watched this video from other, you know, apps or whatever came from WhatsApp, 29%, Facebook 14%, YouTube itself 10%, and then Google search 9%. Going over to engagements, you guys have seen this before. In terms of watch time, 27,900 watch hours is what this video has gotten so far. Then this video was watched for 9 minutes. The average view duration was 9 minutes and 21 seconds, which I think is amazing. Okay, this video was almost 40 minutes. I think it was slightly above 40 minutes or so, I can't remember, but yeah, for this video to have done 9 minutes 21 seconds as the average view duration, that is really good. Now going to my audience, you can see that people who watched this video the most are those who probably were even like new viewers. From the chat here you can see that it just shows that I had a lot of new viewers come to my channel through this video. Under watch time for subscribers, it's clearly written here, guys, in white, that people that watched this video, 89% of them are not subscribed to my channel. 89% Only 10% of those subscribed to my channel watched this video. The remaining 89% are not subscribed. You guys, please now, subscribe to my channel, okay? Under age and gender, 94% of those who watched this video were female and 5% were male. You can see also in terms of the age demographic, it's right here. And under top geographies, this is very important, guys. A whooping 43% of those who watched my video watched from the United States, which is super duper amazing. Followed by Jamaica, of course, before 12% of those who watched are from Jamaica, followed by 11% from the UK, and then Nigeria with only 6%. That's crazy. Usually Nigeria is always like my top country in terms of those who watch my channel, but Nigeria is all the way to number 4 here, and then followed by Canada with 5%, and then other countries. If I click on see more, you would see other countries, but they are all lower percentages. Now let's talk about this revenue for a second, guys. Okay, now this revenue, you can clearly see, like I said before, I made $1,921 from this video, and I'm going to explain why. My CPM for this video is $16.72. Now let me explain for those of you who do not know what these terminologies mean in YouTube and everything. Your CPM is cost per milli. Cost per milli means what advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views on your channel. Okay, so literally brands are willing to pay $16.72 to run ads on my channel per 1,000 views. Okay, and people always look at this CPM like it's very important. Yes, it's super duper important, right? But what is more important is this, your RPM. Your RPM is your revenue per milli. Now, if you don't know, YouTube has a cut that they take from your monies that you have earned via AdSense on YouTube. This CPM is what these brands are paying, but that's not what you are going to get paid, because YouTube collect their money, collect their cuts, and deduct some other things. Okay, now my RPM is what even blew my mind, because by the time YouTube takes their money and do other things, your RPM most times will be about $3, $4, $5, $6, depending on where you are based. But my RPM for this video was $10.79. That's ridiculous. I have not had a video ever have RPM as $10.79, and that explains why my revenue for this video was this high. I have gone through most of my videos that I've done well, checked the RPMs, and the RPMs are usually between $3, $4, $5. Sometimes even videos that have this same number of views will not make me this much because the RPMs are low. But thanks be to God, the RPM for this video was about $10. So literally I was making $10 per 1,000 views, $10.79 per 1,000 views that this video got me. Now do the mathematics and you would get exactly this figure. Okay, under revenue sources, my revenue mostly came from obviously AdSense, Google Ads. $1,908 came from Google Ads, and then those who are subscribed to YouTube Premium just got me about $12. So yeah, guys, that is amazing, right? That is super duper amazing that one video, just one video, was able to make me almost $2,000. All right, that has been able to make, because this video is still getting views, slowly approaching 200,000 views, and it has made me almost $2,000. One video. Super duper amazing. I know I prayed for a video for 100k views, and God was just literally reserving this video because the RPM was going to be high enough. Not only did God want me to get a video that had 100k views, he also wanted me to cash out from the video en masse. Okay, all right, so that is it for this particular video. Okay, now let's go to the second video that has gotten me over 100,000 views. This video, literally, when I published this video sometime at the end of June, in about the space of a week or two, it had gotten just about 25,000 views, and it just stopped from there, which was pretty normal for like videos, you know, my videos at the time. In my own opinion, it did well by getting 25,000 views, even though it stopped there. But when this wedding video started blowing up, this one too picked up from nowhere, and before I knew what was happening, this video even surpassed the wedding video itself, though now it has slowed down, but it really got me views. Now let's go into this video and see what it is saying. This video was the one I announced to you guys that my brother was getting married in a couple of weeks, and I shared their photographs as a thumbnail and everything. And yeah, let's quickly look at the overview. So this literally has the same number of views right now as the wedding video. It has 178,659 views, okay, and the watch time is 7,600 views, not even as much as the wedding video. This video has gained me 1,100 subscribers so far, and I've only made $710.51 from this video. Can you guys see? This video literally has the same number of views as the wedding video, but the wedding video has made me over $1,000 more than this video. Ridiculous. And of course you can clearly would see why. I won't bore you guys with the reach and the engagements for this particular video. No need to bore you guys with this. Well, impressions here, you can clearly see that it has only reached 876,000 people as opposed to the last one that had reached 3.2 million. Okay, under revenue, you can clearly see the CPM is even high at $12, but look at the RPM, guys. The RPM is $3.98. That explains why the revenue from this video is not as much as the other one. The RPM for the other video was a whooping $10. This was $3.98. So clearly you can see why we have this figure for this video. Under top geographies, this video also was watched mainly by those in the US, followed by Jamaica and the United Kingdom, as you can see. So yeah, you guys can clearly see how two videos that have the same number of views have literally different revenues. Let's go into the very third and last video that has gotten to 100k views, which is the one that I put my sister-in-law in the keke napep. That video also did fairly well, 20,000 views by its first 2 weeks, but also picked up from nowhere just like a week ago and has hit 100,000 views right now. All right, so you can clearly see here, this video has gotten me 100,251 views so far since it was published. Watch time is 7,000 hours. I've only gained 300 subscribers from this video, and the revenue is $336.75. Again, let's go into the revenue proper and see what the CPM and RPM are. So the CPM, obviously $11.63, but my revenue, my actual revenue per 1,000 views is only $3.37. So that explains why even at 100,000 views, this is only how much this video has made me so far. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. That's basically how much these three videos with similar number of views have earned me 3 different figures, and it's just super duper amazing to see. If you don't know much about YouTube, like I never really used to care about the nitty-gritty of YouTube, but this period has opened my eyes to see how this algorithm thing works and how the revenue and all of that works, and it's just completely mind-blowing. Obviously, you guys know that I'm quite consistent here. I record and upload videos 3 times a week here, and obviously I've also put out more videos, okay? And you can imagine, like, put out more videos that are equally doing fairly well, some not so well, some do good, some do really good. But in a month I put out about 12 videos, and then you can imagine how much revenue for that month is gonna be, because and I saw my AdSense today and I saw the money they put inside there. I say, who, me? Yes, me. I couldn't believe it, but YouTube is such a lucrative source of income for me right now. In fact, YouTube is my major source of income at the moment, and I'm thoroughly grateful for that, and I'm super grateful for every single person that has watched my videos, commented, new subscribers. In terms of this wedding video right now, I'm just a bit scared because of this YouTube tax thing, because the views I got from the US, which literally US was my major top country in terms of those that were actually watching these videos, I'm just like, okay, by the time you now remove their taxing my US views, only God knows. But I'm still grateful, I'm still thankful for the growth. Even with the tax, I know that it will be something tangible, and I'm super excited. The most I've ever made from YouTube in a single month, and I'm just so grateful. Somebody asked me in one of my recent videos, why being paid in dollars is such a big deal. It is such a big deal because for us here in Nigeria, the equivalent of $1 is literally about 530 something naira right now. And looking at what's entered my AdSense accounts for this month, I did the maths by 535 naira, and I almost fell from my chair. Okay, so it is such a big deal for us, and I can't be more grateful. I can't be more grateful, honestly. So yeah guys, that is basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, please leave me a comment down below, subscribe, share. Let me know in the comment section below, have you watched any of these videos? Did you enjoy watching any of these videos? Because I enjoyed making it. And I'll see and talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.